Are you looking for the best way to protect your online privacy? Today, we'll compare three popular DNS services: NextDNS, Quad9, and AdGuard. All three tools help you browse the internet safely. They block harmful websites and keep your data private, but they each have unique features that set them apart. Let's start with NextDNS. This service offers customizable settings. You can choose what to block, from ads to trackers. It has a user friendly dashboard, making it easy to manage your preferences. NextDNS also provides detailed analytics, so you can see what's happening in real time. Now, let's look at Quad9. This service focuses on security. It blocks access to known malicious sites. Quad9 uses a global network of servers which helps speed up your browsing. It's a great choice if you want a straightforward, secure experience without much setup. AdGuard is another interesting option. It combines DNS filtering with ad blocking. AdGuard works well on various devices, including smartphones. It has built in features to block unwanted ads and trackers. This makes your browsing faster and cleaner. Now, let's discuss the key differences. Next, DNS is all about customization. Quad 9 emphasizes security and speed. AdGuard focuses on ad blocking across devices. When it comes to features, Next DNS offers the most control. Quad 9 is great for those who want quick protection. AdGuard shines if you want a smoother browsing experience with fewer ads. In terms of pricing, all three services offer free options. However, NextDNS and AdGuard have paid plans for more features. Quad 9 is completely free. So, which one should you choose? If you want full control, go for NextDNS. If security is your top priority, choose Quad 9. If you hate ads and want a cleaner experience, AdGuard is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.